Hey guys, it's been a while since I did a video on this. It's been since July of 19 when I first originally got this. We are in December of 20. So, what's left on this thing to deal with still? The constant repairs that are needed, maintenance. As you can hear, the alternator. That'll be the second alternator it's on. So we're going to have to get that replaced. That's bearing noise. Apparently they don't like water that much. Got a new exhaust leak at the donut. But other than that, if you notice, my stickers are gone on the back window here. Got some new stickers, going to get those replaced. We're still going to leave the ones on the back window. The van's current mileage right now, aka Mr. Mom, is at 171,000 miles. Starts right up every time. I am now running a dual battery setup, which it's doing really good. Just got done doing a test run over the weekend, getting ready for the holiday hangover event. Just going to go through the fluids. I got a couple of LEDs that are freaking out in the front. Easy fix. Might give it an oil change, might not, might just add. The transmission's still holding up even with its minor leak that it has. But this thing has been a trooper. When I bought it, it had 154,000 miles on it. I've driven it almost daily since August of last year. This was my primary mode of transportation. I work on other vehicles, I have other vehicles, I just like driving this. Actually a really comfy ride. Although we did get it weighed. This thing comes in at 4,540 pounds, unloaded, without the middle seat. That's pretty heavy. Pretty sure the all-wheel drive has a part of that. I'm just surprised the 3.3 can take the abuse from the weight. So, all in all, this is just another update video on Mr. Mom and what I've got left to fix on it, like always. It's always just been minor stuff, nothing major. Now, since I say that, something will happen, haha. But as long as you keep transmission fluid in it, keep oil in it, seems to be happy, seems to go anywhere I need it to go. Still haven't done a skid plate, even though I should. The air shocks are holding up in the rear, but after a while they go down. So, yeah. Alright guys.